Hello students, I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Now I am going to discuss angle between pair of lines. Angles means here two types of angles possible. One is acute angle, another one is obtuse angle. Now see here, let theta is an acute angle between the pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Then here one pair of line given, that is homogeneous. Homogeneous pair of equation passing through origin. Those pair of lines are like this. This is one line. This is another line. Okay. So this is L1 is equal to 0. This is L2 is equal to 0. The combined equation of L1, L2 is called pair of line or not? Angle between the pair of line. This is one type of angle. This is acute angle. Acute angle. Then where is obtuse angle, students? This is. This is also angle only, but it is obtuse. Obtuse angle. Okay. Point of intersection is origin. Homogeneous equation always passing through origin. So now in this case, how to find angle between the pair of line means there are three formulas. One is cos theta is equal to mod a plus b by under root a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Sin theta is equal to 2 into under root h square minus ab by root a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Tan theta is equal to 2 into under root h square minus ab by modulus a plus b. Here generally angle between the pair of line means always we are using cos theta formula only. Sometimes they will ask that find the sine angle or find sine theta, find tan theta. At that time you can use sine theta and tan theta. Otherwise you can use cos theta only. Okay. By using cos theta also we can say that sine theta and tan theta value. Okay. Direct formula also are there. If you want, use directly. Okay, students. So if the pair of line, observe that x square coefficient, y square coefficient. Sum of x square coefficient, y square coefficient. That means a plus b is equal to 0 means angle between the pair of line is 90 degrees. The two pair of lines are perpendicular means angle between them how much? 90 degrees. Yes or no? Two pair of lines are parallel means angle between them 0. So here what is the shortcut formula? A plus b is equal to 0 or coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. This is level 1 10th question. What they are given here, one pair of line given, find angle between them. So pair of line comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Compare both. What is a value? 1. What is 2h value? 2 secant alpha. H value? Secant alpha. Then what about b, students? 1. Here we need to find angle between them. What is the formula? Cos theta is equal to modulus a plus b by under root a minus b whole square plus 4h square. This is the formula. Now substitute the values. A is 1, b is 1 divided by under root 1 minus 1 whole square plus 4 into h square means that is secant square alpha. Here observe that 2 divided by 1 minus 1, 0. Root 4 secant square alpha, that is 2 secant alpha or not? 2 secant alpha, 2 to cancel. Now cos theta is equal to 1 by secant alpha means that is cos alpha. Now comparing both, what is theta value, students? Alpha. This is the answer. Which option correct? Second option. The angle between the pair of lines y square cos square theta minus xy cos square theta plus x square into sine square theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So compare with general pair of line ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Then what is a value? X square coefficient sine square theta minus 1, 2h, that is xy coefficient minus cos square theta, then b y square coefficient, that is cos square theta. Here observe that a plus b value to get 0 or not, verify. A plus b, what is a? Sine square theta minus 1 plus b cos square theta. We know that sine square theta plus cos square theta value 1 and minus 1 is there. 1 minus 1, 0. If a plus b is equal to 0 means what is angle between pair of line? Angle between pair of line. How much, students? 90 degrees. If the two lines are perpendicular means a plus b is equal to 0 or not? That meaning is coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0 means angle between the pair of lines is 90 degrees. See the next question, students. If the pair of lines is given by are perpendicular to each other, then alpha. Angle between pair of lines is, so the pair of lines are perpendicular given. So what is the formula? A plus b is equal to 0. Use that, we get angle. See first, this is not a proper equation. X square sine square alpha, multiply that, plus y square sine square alpha. See the right hand side, that is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square x square cos square alpha minus 2ab 2 cos alpha sin alpha into xy plus b square y square sin square alpha. Here x, so total terms sent to left hand side. First take x square common. Left hand side already x square coefficient sin square alpha. If these values sent to left hand side, you will get minus cos square alpha, yes or no? Plus y square term. Before going to y, observe this, these term sent to left hand side, we get plus 2 cos alpha sin alpha into xy. Okay, so two terms completed. Now third term, these term sent to left hand side. Already in left hand side, y square sin square alpha is there. Y square sin square alpha is there. Then how to sign y square sine square alpha, y square sine square alpha is going to cancel. Okay. Then remaining, this is 0. Y square coefficient is 0. This is equal to 0. So finally, compare with general equation of pair of line. At the time you get a value is sine square alpha minus cos square alpha. Y square coefficient is 0. Here already given the pair of lines are perpendicular to each other. So what is the condition? That is a plus b is equal to 0. This is the formula now. A means what? Sine square alpha minus cos square alpha is equal to, so plus 0 is equal to 0. Finally, we are getting sine square alpha is equal to cos square alpha. Sine and cos, when they are equal, students, sine and cos, when they are equal, if alpha value 45 degrees means sine 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 also 1 by root 2. Sine alpha, cos alpha, when they are equal means at 45 degrees, that is pi by 4. Which option correct? Third option. How to do this? Compare with general pair of equation. Then what is a value? 1. 2h value 3. B value minus 4. But here they are asking sine theta. What is sine theta formula, students? Sine theta formula. Sine theta is equal to 2 into under root h square minus ab by under root a minus b whole square plus 4h square. This is sine theta formula. Now those values substitute here. Sine theta is equal to 2 into under root h square. H means 3 by 2 whole square minus AB. A is 1, B is minus 4. Divided by under root A minus B whole square. 1 minus of minus plus 4 whole square. 4h square means that is 2h whole square. We get 3 square. 4h square meaning is what? 2h whole square only. That's why in place of 2h I am written directly 3. So calculate this numerator first. Under root 4 is the LCM. We get 9 plus 16 by 4 divided by under root 1 plus 4 5, 5 square 25, 3 square 9. See here numerator root 4 2 is cancel or not? Now finally we get answer 5 divided by root 34. Therefore sine theta is equal to 5 divided by root 34. This is the answer. Students, which option correct? Third option correct.